XtraGrid supports displaying multiple summary values in the footer of the grid control. In this video, you'll learn how to display two summary values under the same column. We'll generate the first summary value using the designer, and the second one will be created at runtime using code. So let's get started. I'll start with a Windows application that has a grid control bound to the products table of the Northwind database. I run the designer and switch to the columns page. First, I select the category ID column and set its summary type property to sum. This will display the sum of the category ID column in the footer of the grid. Next, I'm going to create a new unbound column. This column will be used to calculate the second summary value at runtime. I select the new column and set its visible property to false so that it doesn't display at runtime. I also need to specify its type. To do this, I set the unbound type property to integer. Now, I'm going to instruct the new column to calculate the average value of the category ID column. I expand summary item and set the field name property to category ID. The summary type is then set to average. Next, I need to enable the grid's footer and resize it to fit two summary fields. I switch to the feature browser. I expand summary, total summary, and click on footer to view its properties. I enable the footer by clicking on the optionsview.showFooter link. The default footer height can only display a single summary value field. To modify the height to fit two fields, I set the footer panel height property to 45. And I'm done with the grid customization, so I close the designer. To display custom summary values in the footer, I need to handle the custom draw footer cell event of the grid view. I create an event handler for it and add the following code. This will draw a second customary summary field under the category ID column and display the calculated average. And I'm done. I run the application to see the results. You'll see that there are now two summary values displayed for the category ID column. For further documentation on the XtraGrid, just click on the link below. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.